Honestly, I think it's gonna be cutest if I just put my feet in the sink. Actually, I need socks first. I think that'll be cuter. I kind of want somewhere my hair is like insane, crazy, like frizzy type of vibe. I don't know. I feel like this is giving crazy plant lady. Hi, I'm Tori, and today I'm taking self-portraits in my kitchen. Welcome back to my series where I'm taking self-portraits in every room in my house. Today we're doing the kitchen. It's a little fun, it's a little funky, and it's a big way to push myself creatively, so I hope you'll follow along. Let's get it. Soda break. I have dishes in the sink still, but I don't think you can see them from where the camera's gonna be, because the camera's gonna be right about where you guys are right now, and I don't have any more energy to put away dishes, so... Okay, obviously we need to move the toaster. That's not cute. And then the last thing is my plants. I want to put them in here. I just don't know where they should be. I think that could be cute there for now. And then, oh gosh, I have another plant, but this one's not in a cute like cup or something. Maybe I need to put it in a mug. Okay, let's try out this mug. You know what? That's better than it was. Okay, this will work good enough for photos. Let's actually put this one here and this one here, maybe? Okay, new idea. What if we put the plants in the sink? That would be so freaking cute. If I had more time, I would honestly go buy more plants for this. I don't know where I'm gonna put this plant. For right now, I'm just gonna get up on the counter. Okay, I think it's gonna work best if I just put my feet in the sink. What do you guys think? Actually, I need socks first. I think that'll be cuter. Okay, while I do this part, let me tell you guys why I'm doing this. So my husband and I moved to Arizona like 7 months ago. And it was our first time renting a home instead of an apartment. And I was so excited to decorate the house. I was so excited to make it look cute and whimsical. And I succeeded. It's really cute. It's very whimsical, and it took me freaking forever. So this is my way of like showcasing the hours and hours and hours of time and effort me and my husband both put into this, because I'm a photographer, so why not just take photos in the house? Okay, this is how I want it framed, but I kind of want to move my money tree in the back. I kind of want to move it up. Actually, let's put the money tree in the sink, and then we'll put my other weird plant on top of the counter. I think that would be cute and give us like some depth, but I like how it's framed. I think that's cute, and hopefully the sunlight will kind of come out the windows again. Okay, so I'm in my camera app, and this is how I take the photos. I just press the shutter for it to take the photo, and so I can see what I look like and like pose myself, tap to focus on my eyes, all that stuff. I am gonna have to Photoshop my mic out of it because I still need to be able to talk to you guys, but that's just the way it is, so. I'm having like a vision of my heel going into the garbage disposal. Sorry, that's graphic. Oh gosh. I was able to find socks, but I could only find one. So if I want to wear, like, they're cute, like frilly brown socks. So if I wanted to wear one, I would have to do like 1 foot in, 1 foot out type of thing. For right now, I'm just gonna throw this over there. That's out of the shot, right? Yep. Okay. Let's do the original idea I was talking about, like feet in the sink. Oh, that's gonna be cute. Okay. It's gotta be like hair over there looking out. Is that cute? Kind of. Okay, I think those were cute. Now we need to do some close up. So I'm going back over to my camera and zooming it in. I want those like plants blurred in the foreground. I think I'm actually gonna lower the tripod a little bit. Okay, let's try this and see how it looks. Hopefully it's not weird. Okay, right now I'm liking this framing much better. It's just like a little more close up. It feels more like a portrait session. The other one was just a little bit too wide, I think, which usually I like wide portraits, but I just don't think that was the vibe. I think this is cute. Look, I put on my one sock. Oops. I put on my one sock so that you can see it when I like pop my leg up like that. I liked the sink back where it was. Okay, this is really cute. I don't want to change anything actually. I'm gonna put my mic down and we're just gonna take photos. I kind of want somewhere my hair is like insane, crazy, like frizzy type of vibe. I don't know. I feel like this is giving crazy plant lady and I just kind of want to make it crazy. I don't know what that means. I just want it to have like volume. Maybe I even need to like tease it a little. Actually, that was cute when I like did that with my hair. Maybe I need to do a photo of that. Oh, that's cute. Let's go with that. Okay, almost dropped my camera. Okay, we need to move locations because we need more variety. Oh, that's my dog. She's cute. Okay, I think right here-ish will be good. Let me show you. I don't know, something like that. I'm not sure. The sun was coming through the windows a minute ago. Let me see if I can get it to do it again. Okay, I want the sun to come. Yeah, there it is. It's coming through the window now. Okay, so I need the camera to be closer, I think. Okay, look at this shot with the little sun flare. I need to move fast though because it's going to start moving down and it's going to get out of, like it's not going to flare anymore. So maybe I should put it slightly lower than I need it and then I'm going to go take the photo. Also underexposing just slightly so I can preserve detail in the highlights. All right, let's go. Okay, I'm going to be really dark in these. But I don't know, I want the sun flare, so I don't know if it should be like a silhouette situation, like this maybe? I'm not sure. Or what, but I need to work fast so I can get that sun flare. Oh, maybe I just put my hands on my chin and look straight out and it's like a silhouette, because that's kind of cute. Oh gosh, I just realized there's a power cord in the back the whole time. I'm gonna have to edit out. Okay, so let's move my hair to the other side of my face so you can actually see my side profile. And then I'm gonna go straight out like this. My hair is just getting progressively worse and worse as the video goes, and I keep like fluffing my hair for the photo. Okay, I have one photo I really want to get. I want to move the camera back to where it originally was, and I want to get like a photo where it's close up on my face with the curtains like blurred in front. I think, I'm not really sure how we're gonna do it. Let's try it. Okay, this is the best we're gonna get. I'm just gonna have to crop in because I can't get it any closer with the counter being right there. I mean, I could put my tripod on the counter, but then I wouldn't be able to have as much compression. I don't know. Actually, let's just put the tripod on the counter. Full send. Okay, here is the tripod on the counter. Oh man, the things we do. And there's my shot. This is exactly what I wanted, so let's go get it. My last idea is I want to do some kind of photo holding my plants, like they're in my lap or something. I don't know. Let's try it. Thank you so much for watching. That was very chaotic and so fun. And here are the photos. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you can see the next room in this series. Bye.